A very good morning, children. Let's continue with our lesson.
Children, till now we saw that Anirudh, this boy who is writing letter, his name is Anirudh. He is writing a letter to name called as Saurabh on 10th September. It is not December, 10th September. And he has come to his grandfather's house where he is going to celebrate Onam. And he is telling all the information to Saurabh regarding the Onam celebration, what and all he has done in his grandfather's house, how he celebrated the Onam festival. Okay, so let us continue how he is going to celebrate the remaining Onam. शाम के समय यहाँ नौका दौड़ का आयोजन किया गया था. So now he is telling शाम के समय means शाम means evening, समय means time. In the evening, यहाँ means here, नौका दौड़ का आयोजन किया गया था. So नौका means nothing but boat. दौड़ means race. So boat race का आयोजन किया गया था. So organized. आयोजन means organized. So what was organized here? Yes, it is boat race. You might have heard, no, the boat race, how it happens in Kerala. Yes, at least in a TV you would have seen, right? So in the same way he is telling that in the evening they will organize a नौका दौड़ or the boat race. इस नौका दौड़ के लिए विशेष प्रकार की लंबी लंबी नावें थी. So now he is telling about the boat. So he is describing the boat, how it will be. For this नौका दौड़ और this boat race विशेष प्रकार की, विशेष प्रकार means special, विशेष means special, प्रकार means type, लंबी लंबी नावें थी. So how he is describing the boat? लंबी लंबी नावें. So the boat will be very long. लंबी means very long or very lengthy. Next, इन लंबी नावों में 30-40 लोग बैठे हुए थे. Understand? So now he is saying in लंबी नावों में. So in this long boat, how many of them can sit? 30-40 लोग. 30-40 means 30-40. 30 means 30, 40 means 40. So approximately 30 to 40 लोग. लोग means people. बैठे हुए थे. So बैठे हुए थे means 30 to 40 people can sit or 30 to 40 people are sitting. Okay. Next. मेरे चाचा जी और उनके मित्रों ने भी इस नौका दौड़ में हिस्सा लिया. Now he is saying that मेरे चाचा जी. So what do you mean by चाचा जी? Yes, चाचा जी means father's younger brother. Okay. So मेरे चाचा जी और उनके मित्रों ने भी means चाचा जी friend, his friends ने भी इस नौका दौड़ में हिस्सा लिया. So his friends also, B we have mentioned. So B means also participated in this boat race. नौका दौड़ means in the boat race. हिस्सा means participated. सब बड़ी तेजी से चप्पू चलाकर आगे निकलने की होड़ में थे. So now what he is saying? सब बड़ी तेजी से means सब means all. बड़ी तेजी से means very fast. तेजी means very fast. चप्पू चलाकर. So chappu means, chappu is nothing but you would have seen when there is a boat race, or not only in the boat race, when you row a boat. For rowing the boat, what will use? A long stick kind will be seen. Yes or no, children? So I will show you here. Can you see a long stick with which they pedal or row the boat? Yes or no, children? So the stick which is used for the boat to move front. So that is only called as chappu. Chappu chalakar. So they use the chappu to move the boat front. आगे निकलने की होड़ में थे. So they are ready to go front using the chappu. Okay. Next, तट पर खड़े हजारों लोग तालियां बजा बजा कर नाविकों का उत्साह बढ़ा रहे थे. So now what he is saying? He is saying that तट पर खड़े. तट पर means in the bank of a river. So in the sides of the river we can say it is bank of the river. खड़े हजारों लोग. So the people who are standing at the bank of the river, तालियां बजा बजा कर. तालियां means clapping hands. So बजाकर means they are clapping the hands. For what? नाविकों का उत्साह बढ़ा रहे थे. By clapping the hands, they उत्साह means encouraging. To whom they are encouraging? Naviko. Naviko means nothing but the sailor. Who is sailor here? The person who sails the boat or who is used to move the boat front. Okay. These people are called as Navika. These are the person who are being used to move the boat front. Okay. They are the one who sail the boat. So that is only called as Naviko. So the people who are standing at the bank of the river, they are clapping the hands and encouraging the sailor for the boat to move front. Okay children. Next, सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि जीत चाचा जी नाव की ही हुई. So now what he is saying? Now he is very happy. Who is happy? Anirudh. He is very happy and he is saying that सबसे खुशी की बात. सबसे खुशी की बात means the good news. Good news is what? What news is that? कि जीत चाचा जी नाव की हुई. So चाचा जी means you already know father's younger brother. He only won the competition. So that is what the good news. So he is telling that my younger father, he only won the boat competition. Next, सब खुशी से ना छूटे. So सब खुशी से ना छूटे means all the people who participated in the competition, they all are very happy. ना छूटे means they started dancing with the happiness. सबने जीत हुए नाविकों को फूल मालाएं पहनाए. Now what happened after that? सबने means all. जीते हुए means who won. Okay. So नाविकों who won. Navika means sailor, you all know. So sailor who won the competition, to them फूल मालाएं पहनाई. फूल मालाएं mean garland of flowers. So what do you mean by garland of flowers? Nothing but in Tamil we can say, right, poo malai. Okay, so you know poo malai, right? So they are giving it to whom? Naviko. Pehnai means they are making them to wear. Okay. रात को हम कथकली नृत्य देखने गए. So what do you mean by that? He is saying that in the night, रात को means in the night, we कथकली नृत्य देखने गए. We went to see कथकली dance in the night. So what do you mean by कथकली? You would have heard, right? So कथकली is the main form of the dance in Kerala. Okay. So कथकली नर्तकों ने अपने मुंह पर कई रंग लगा रखे थे. So now he is describing about the participants of Kathakali dancers. So what he is saying that Kathakali नर्तकों ने, नर्तकों is nothing but the people who dance Kathakali. Okay. उन्होंने what did they do? अपने मुंह पर, अपने मुंह पे means in their face. अपने मुंह पर means in their face कई रंग लगा रखे थे. कई रंग means many colors. कई means many, रंग means colors, लगा रखे थे means they painted the face with the many colors. Okay children, you would have seen the Kathakali dances, right? So how their face will be with the full of paint and their face will not be visible, right? So their way of dancing is totally different compared to the other dances. चाचा जी ने इस नृत्य की कई तस्वीरें भी खींची. Now what he is saying? His चाचा जी ने इस नृत्य की means this dance कई तस्वीरें भी खींची. So he captured the dance. Which dance? Kathakali dance. Okay, so he took a photo of this dance. Okay, next मैं तुम्हें ये तस्वीरें भेज रहा हूँ. Now this Anirudh is saying I am sending these photos ने सभी मित्रों को दिखाना. Now he is telling that I am sending the photos of these dancers and you show these dance photos to your friends. मित्रों को दिखाना means show it to your friends. सभी means all friends. Next, चाचा जी और चाची जी को मेरा प्रणाम कहना. So pranam कहना means he is conveying the regards to whom? चाचा जी और चाची जी. Okay children. Next, मानसी को प्यार. मानसी को प्यार means he is conveying the love to Mansi. So Mansi is the daughter of चाचा जी and चाची जी. So तुम्हारा मित्र अनिरुद्ध. So he is telling your friend Anirudh. Understand children? So did you enjoy this lesson? So what actually happening in this lesson? They are telling about the celebration of Onam, how it is been celebrated in Kerala and what and all the competitions is been held there. Not only the boat competition, after that they do celebrate the Onam festival through the music and dance. So what are the main dance of Kerala? It is nothing but Kathakali. Okay children, if you can open page number 34 in which how they celebrate the Onam. Okay, these are some pics of the Onam celebration. So first picture is Nauka Dod. Nauka Dod means the boat race which we have already seen in the lesson. Next is Pookolam. Pookolam is the Rangoli which is being decorated with the flowers. Next, Onam Puja, that means they are praying to the god. Which god they are praying? They are praying to God Vishnu and Mahabali. Okay, next is Payasam, that is nothing but Kheer. Next, Onam Thali. Onam Thali means different kind of delicious food is being prepared on Onam. Okay. Next, this is the different forms of dance which is being performed on Onam. Okay, these are the ladies who dance and they celebrate the Onam. That is called as Tiruvatira. Tiruvatira, that is the dance form. Next, Kathakali. Kathakali is the main dance of Kerala. Okay children. Next, this is the Saje Hue Hathi. Saje Hue Hathi means the elephants. The elephants are being decorated in a beautiful way. People come from worldwide to see this elephants here because on that Onam day they decorate the elephant in such a way that we feel very happy to see all these things, because other day we cannot see this. So on the celebration or on the Onam day we can see these elephants being decorated.
So we learned how Onam is being celebrated in Kerala. Okay children, so see you in the next class.